Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're adding an eSIM now, so begin with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone 16 is updated and unlocked, and that you have the carrier QR, activation code, or app. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. Point your camera at the QR or enter details manually. Once done, label the plan clearly so you can switch easily. Don't skip Wi-Fi. A stable connection prevents activation timeouts and speeds the process. Now, configure the plan so it works reliably. Choose whether the eSIM will be your primary or secondary line, then set cellular data and voice preferences in the cellular settings. Make sure to enable or disable data roaming according to your plan. Once assigned, verify iMessage and FaceTime use the intended number, run a quick speed test and a call. If connectivity lags, toggle airplane mode briefly and recheck settings. These steps finish by confirming the eSIM shows as active and appears under cellular plans. Label it if you haven't already. Make a test call and send an SMS to confirm provisioning, then verify mobile data works across apps. If you switch from a physical SIM, move contacts or keep both lines for a transition period. If activation fails, check carrier settings updates, restart the phone, and, as a last resort, reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. Contact your carrier if issues persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.